How to fix your MKV video file is not opening in the VLC media player. So you can see right here I have this MKV video file, and when I try to open this up in the VLC media player, for some reason the video just won't play. So I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this in this video. Now first thing you need to do is click on Tools in the top navigation and click on Preferences. At the bottom where it says Show Settings, click on the checkbox next to All. You then need to click on the option on the left hand side that says Input and Codecs. Now from this window we need to scroll down until we see File Caching, which is this one here, and you need to make sure the value data is set to 1000 like you see here. You could then go and press Save. Now come back over to Tools and click on Preferences once again. Go and click on All at the bottom. Now underneath Input and Codecs you'll see this option for Video Codecs. Click on the drop down arrow next to this. You then need to click on this option which is FF MPEG. Click on the drop down arrow next to Hardware Decoding and set this to Disable and then press Save. You then need to click on Tools and click on Preferences once again. Click on Audio and make sure Enable Audio is checked like this. You can then press Save. Now the last thing you need to do is click on Tools and click on Preferences. Click on Video. Click on the drop down next to Output and we need to select OpenGL Video Output. You can then go and press Save once again. Now once you've done all of this, you can go and right click on your video file, click on Open With, select VLC Media Player. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.